In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in systeme.io. First, log into your systeme.io account using your usual details. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top navigation bar and hover your mouse over the Sites tab. From the drop-down that appears, click on Websites. You'll see a list of all the websites in your account. Choose the specific website where you want to add a new button and click on it to open the website editor. Inside the editor, navigate to the section of the page where you want your button to appear. On the left-hand side, you'll see a drawer with different elements you can add. Find the button element, then drag and drop it into the exact spot on the page where you want it placed. After dropping it, click on the button you just added. This will open up the editing and styling options on the left side of the screen. As you start editing, keep an eye on the live preview panel on the right. This shows you in real time exactly how your button will look on the publish page. Next, choose what happens when someone clicks your button. You can set it to submit a form and then decide whether visitors are sent to a custom URL where you'll enter the redirect address, or to have no redirection and instead display a custom success message after they opt in. You can also set the button to open a URL, then type in the link and choose whether it opens in the same window or a new one. Another option is to show a pop-up and select which pop-up to display. Or you can make the button trigger a file download by uploading the file visitors will receive. Now, adjust how the button sits on the page. Choose the alignment, left, center, or right. Then pick the button width, either a fluid width or a full width button that stretches across the container. Under size and position, you can fine-tune the padding on the top, bottom, left, and right, and adjust the margins on all sides to control spacing around the button. In the typography section, update the main button label by editing the button text field. You can change the font size, line height, and font family. You can also add subtext under the main label and customize its font size and style as well. If you want an icon, click the field under the icon selector to open the drop-down and choose an icon to appear before or after the text. Next, customize the colors. Choose a background color for the button, a text color for the main label, and a separate color for the subtext if needed. You can also style the border by setting the border width, border style, corner radius for rounded edges, and border color. If you'd like a shadow, pick a shadow style or turn the shadow off entirely. Then configure the hover effect. This controls how the button looks when someone hovers over it. Adjust the hover text color, background color, and subtext color, and select a hover style. You can also tweak the movement on hover to add a subtle animation. For timing and visibility, set any delay before the button appears on the page, and choose whether it should be visible on desktop only, mobile only, or on both. When you're happy with everything, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This makes sure all your changes are stored and your new button is ready to use on your systeme.io website.